Welcome to this Arnold Culliford knitwear tutorial on how to work a 2/2 right cross without a cable needle. This video is part of our Something to Knit Together winter edition, and it's using a cable that's found in the Assembly Scarf by Natalie Warner. Working a cable without a cable needle is a handy technique to have up your sleeve. I find that it makes the rhythm of cable knitting much more enjoyable for me. People are all different, but it's definitely one of those things that's good to know how to do. So we need to work a cable over the next 4 stitches, and working a cable without a cable needle basically involves rearranging the stitches on your needles first and then working across them. So this is a 2/2 right cross, and I'm going to start by inserting my right needle tip into the 3rd and 4th stitches on my left needle, and I'm going to do that at the front, just going across them front to back like that. Not front to back, sorry, right to left. I then pull the left needle tip out of all 4 of the stitches, so I've got 2 safely on my right needle tip and then 2 here hanging loose, and the 2 that are hanging loose I'm just going to pick up with the left needle tip. Obviously, if you're using a really slippery yarn, this might not be the best technique, but with a wool alpaca blend like our Something to Knit with Aran, they're really not going to go anywhere, so you pick them safely back up again. And now you're going to return the 2 stitches on the right needle to the left needle. And you should now be able to see that in doing that maneuver, we're now set up in the right arrangement, ready to work our cable. And all we need to do now is to knit across those 4 stitches, because all of the stitches in our 2/2 right cross are knitted. Obviously, if you're doing a pattern with knits and purls, you then just work across them in the right order. And that completes the cable. Let me run you through that one more time. So this is a right cross. We want the stitches to lean in that direction. So we're now ready to work those 4 cable stitches. We put the right needle tip from right to left through the 3rd and 4th stitches on the left needle. We pull the left needle out of all 4 stitches, and then we pick up those 2 loose stitches that are hanging free with that left needle tip. We then return the 2 stitches from the right to the left, and that completes the cross maneuver. And now all we have to do is to knit across them. And there's our finished cable. I do hope you found that short tutorial on working a 2/2 right cross without a cable needle helpful. If you've enjoyed this video, then do remember that we are able to make all of our videos freely available and free of adverts, thanks to the support of customers at our online shop. Every purchase you make helps us to continue to do these. And if you've enjoyed the tutorial, then do click the button at the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you'll be notified next time we release a video. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye-bye.